I'm Mark Henry, founder and development engineer at Solidteknics Australia, Australia's only true production manufacturer of cookware, and we export around the world. Now, our whole mission is to regenerate an industry that's toxic, disposable, wasteful. 1.2 million pans at least go into the Australian landfill every year, and they're all imported. Those pans are coated in synthetic non-stick. So once they wear out, you can't recycle them, they go into landfill. I'm a mechanical engineer, so I set out, spent 3 decades working on a solution to make one-piece cookware, forged, worked one-piece cookware in Australian iron, pure iron, or stainless steel, a particular non-nickel stainless steel, to replace toxic and disposable synthetic non-stick with natural, healthy, non-toxic and forever renewable Australian wrought iron. Thank you.